Hey everybody, welcome to another MobilityX video. In today's video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Ninebot Segway wheelchair. If you look over here, I have the box with two keys. I'm just going to put that in the phone holder here for a moment. I can get it in there. And I'm going to turn it on with the remote, the button at the top. And there we go, and it boots up. And down here you'll have a lever to release the legs. I'm just going to release those. And it's just a case of then tilting forward and backward and turning this way. So if you turn this way, it spins. Turn it this way, it spins. If you lean forward, it goes. If you lean backward, it also goes. Obviously I'm no expert at riding these, but it's something that you're going to get sufficiently good at. As you can imagine there, and then we'll go back. And that's just a quick demonstration of how to use it. This current model is for sale on our website, refurbished. I will put the link below at mobilityx.co.uk, www.mobilityx.co.uk. And yeah, they're amazing things. They're becoming more popular by the day, and they're going to be another form of transport. And they're just incredible, so feel free to check them out below. Thanks for watching.